what's up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla. If this is the first time you're seeing my face, make sure you subscribe down below. I film college vlogs, lifestyle videos, all that fun stuff. I just got back from studying abroad in Greece and all those videos are up on my channel, so this is the first sit down video I've done in 3 months. So if I'm a little rusty, I apologize. I just want to get into this video. I am so excited. When I was abroad, I saw that Alisha Marie came out with new merch, and usually I am not a merch buyer. A lot of her stuff looks more like a clothing brand versus merch with like her name and her photo. Like there's one t-shirt I think that has like her photo on it, but then the rest of them are more like cute kind of Brandy Melville-esque stuff. So I decided to purchase from her new collection, and this video is totally inspired by Sierra Schultz. She does a lot of reviewing YouTubers' clothing lines and all that stuff. Today, we're reviewing Alisha Marie's clothing line. I think I ordered a total of like 4 or 5 pieces, which there should be a sweatshirt in here, and like this doesn't look like it fits a sweatshirt, but maybe it's very compressed. First thing I see is the So Extra hat. This is so weird having it. I don't know why, but it just says So Extra in black, and then on the inside is her little like signature logo. Put it on my head. Oh man, I'm gonna get makeup all over it. Hold on. The So Extra hat in white retails for $20. I'm not a really big hat girl, but I wanted more items to put in this video. So here's what it looks like. I think it's super cute. I'm very tan currently, so I think the white looks really good with my skin tone. But I think it's really simple. I like the So Extra. That's pretty much her branding. And it fits pretty good. It fits like any other baseball cap. So 10 out of 10 for me. The next thing I see in here is also from her second merch drop, which is the KPI Tank top, which she wore, I believe. I think she cropped hers. Actually, no, I know that she cropped her t-shirt. And this one retailed for $25. And here's what it looks like. I got this one in a medium, and it's very simple. It just says KPI. It's super soft material. I really like the white detail on it. It's not just a plain navy tank top. So let's try this one on. So here is what the KPI tank top looks like. So it goes down pretty long. If you want it to be long, it goes to like your hip, but I'll probably just keep it like this and be good to go. So I think it's super soft. It's definitely see-through. Like you can see, here's my black bra, and then here's my skin. It's not like too bad, but like I was gonna just not wear a bra, and then I tried nipple petals, and then those looked really weird. So now I have a bra on, but it doesn't really matter because it works perfectly fine. But other than it being a little see-through, I think it's really cute, very simple and pretty basic, and I really like it. It's very soft. I definitely think this is a tank top I'll just like throw on with some denim shorts, or you know, just chill out in the house with. So this one I think I would give a 8 out of 10 just because it is a little see-through, especially for it being so dark. Like you can see my hand right there. But other than that, it's very comfy. I like how basic and simple it is, so thumbs up from me. The next thing that I see in here is the So Extra hoodie, which I got in a large. I wanted it to be oversized on me. I'm gonna ruin this with my foundation today. That's what's gonna happen. Here is what it looks like. It's pink and white. It has So Extra on the sides, as everyone probably watching this knows. And then on the back, it just has her little signature again. So far for my first impressions is it's pretty soft. It's not the softest sweatshirt material I've ever felt. I definitely own ones that are a lot softer. Let's go try this one on as well. Time for the white sweatshirt on dark foundation. Oh my God. I don't even want to put this on just because I know I'm gonna screw it up. Here is the So Extra hoodie in a large. I would say this is a pretty true large. It's super soft, super comfy. I love sweatshirts. They're super easy and simple, so this one I would say 10 out of 10. I don't see any makeup right now, but that's gonna change very soon. So sweatshirt, good. And then the last thing that I got is the So Extra joggers, which, like the hat, I normally don't really wear sweatpants, but they're very basic. They're just long black sweatpants, which I also got in a medium, and it just says So Extra on the legs. I want to feel if these are softer than the sweatshirt. I feel like these are a similar material to the sweatshirt. They feel like the same material as the sweatshirt, so not super like thick sweats, but just kind of like casual sweatpants. So let's go try these ones on too. here's what they look like. They fit like pretty true mediums in my opinion. I wish I maybe got a large just for it to be a little looser. I think it's funny how like here's the gray on the inside, like the pockets, but they're kind of baggy. Again, I don't really wear sweatpants that often, but I think just around the house it'd be super cute. And I like how you don't really know it's hers brand unless you know like the So Extra thing. So I would rate the joggers probably again like an 8 out of 10. I definitely think my sweatpants from like high school and those ones, obviously they're more worn in, but I like that those are a bit looser around the thighs, and this one's more like a straight kind of slim cut, which it's not bad. I just don't really ever wear black, and I don't really ever wear joggers, but you know, I wanted to try it out for you guys. I don't know, they're very comfy, so when it's not 110 degrees in the United States, I will then wear these, but for now I'm gonna wait till like fall or winter for these ones. But yeah. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed my video of reviewing Alisha Marie's merch. I'm so excited that I have it, and I love that I'm able to support her because she is a YouTuber that I have loved for a very long time now and I can relate a lot to. So thumbs up this video if you like the clothes or you like my review, and comment down below. Are you guys a Alisha Marie fan? Do you know her? Do you watch her too? Like, let me know. We can be a little fan club, I guess, in the comments below. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will probably be something college related. Just saying. Bye, guys.